Taboo! Got your party pants on? Cause I
broke into Bruno's tower. I found his last vision. The family's in trouble. The magic is dying. The house is breaking. Luisa's gift is fading, and I think it's all because of me. Pa?
We say nothing. Abuela wants tonight to be perfect. Till the Guzmans leave, you did not break into Bruno's tower. The magic is not dying. The house is not breaking. Luisa's gift is not fading. No one will know. Just act normal. No one has to know.
I know.
Women's tells you about Bruno vision. Works every time with every door into every multiverse. But not that time with Sarah Tavion.